Hello students, good morning. How are you? Today we are going to start new practical study of reconing of the loudspeaker. Aim to study the procedure of the replacement of cone of loudspeaker. List of equipment required for this experiment is cone with lead wire attached, loudspeaker with damaged cone, dust cover, wise lead, gasket, masking tape, soldering iron, soldering metal, soldering iron stand, screwdriver, scissor, knife, etc. Theory of loudspeaker. Loudspeaker is a device which converts audio frequency signal back to the original sound signal. Loudspeaker consists of magnet, vice coil, spider, and cone. Magnet. A strong magnetic field is essential for satisfactory operation of vice coil. It consists of few turns of wire wound on a bakelite or mica or aluminum cylinder. Spider is a flexible membrane fixed on the coil from one side and the speaker frame on the other side. Cone. Cone or diaphragm of loudspeaker is made of paper prepared by special flexible process and molded in the form of a cone of the required size. The diagram of speaker is shown in the figure. Parts of loudspeaker is also shown in the diagram. The part of the loudspeaker is pole piece, magnet, top plate, basket, vice coil, spider, surround cone, dust cap. Procedure. Step 1. Deassemble the damaged speaker cone. Remove the speaker from the speaker cabinet. Remove the gasket and pry them off. Cut around the outer rim of the cone as well as by the base near the dust cover using knife. Cut around the edge of the spider and remove it. The spider is the piece that fits on the magnet. Remove the lead wire from the terminal. By using soldering gun, remove them entirely. Carefully remove the dust cap. Step 2. Clean the air gap on the magnet. Step 3. Cover the air gap with masking tape. This helps to prevent the dust from getting inside when you have cleaned it. Step 4. Clean off all the small particles of cone material. Step 5. Assemble the new speaker. Remove the masking tape from the air gap on the vice coil of the magnet. Set the new cone in air gap. Center it over the vice coil to make sure that it fits correctly. Remove the cone and apply adhesive material. Carefully place the cone in the gap and apply a small amount of pressure. Insert it into the air gap in the voice coil to center the speaker. Space each seam around the whole gap to assure consistency. This step is very important. The speaker has to be centered correctly for it to function. Attach, attach the gasket. Apply adhesive around the top of the cone. Be sure not to cover the screw holes with adhesive. Place on each section of the gasket one at a time. Step 6. Allow the adhesive to dry for 24 hours. Step 7. Flip the speaker back over and carefully pull out each seam. Step 8. Attach the dust cover. Apply a bead of adhesive around the base of the cone itself that is the same circumference as the dust cover. Place the dust cover in the center and apply a small amount of pressure. Allow the adhesive to dry for duration of time specified on bottle. Step 9. Solder the lead wire. Attach the lead wire coming from the speaker to the terminal using your soldering iron. Lastly, the conclusion of this experiment is the method of reconing of the speaker is studied during the experiment. Thanks, students. Thank you.